I see it. So much energy. There's the meerkat.
I think that wait, inside before they go that.
Yeah.
Are there hyenas here?
I don't think there's any hyenas.
Why would there hyenas?
I can take a picture together first.
All right, I got y'all. I was doing a video too for you. I knew you wanted a video. While they get their stuff together, there's the baby.
Ready?
All right, I got y'all.
Daddy,
Would you like a music group?
Sure.
Daddy, is that real food?
Nope.
What
Look, see, it says elephants can produce several hundred pounds of poop.
Oh, there's like little facts in each one. Oh, cool. I didn't know that.
1 inch thick skin,
Wow.
but still sensitive enough to feel a fly land on it.
Hmm.
That was this one.
Let's see what it says.
I'm strong.
That's all. It says tusks can grow to 10 feet long. 10 feet. That's very long.
Yeah, it is. Hey, baby.
Where you want to go next, girl?
Can I open all of them?
You see the elephant? Yeah. Look, it's 2 of them. Emma, hold on. Go ahead. Hey, girl.
What's her name?
Marvin.
The rest of everything
Mm-hmm.
is really long.
Yep. Getting the hay out. Wow. All right, Eloise, proof that you were here. So when we tell you that you went to the zoo, you were here.
Daddy, why can I not see her food?
She said, look.
Right. Boy, if I don't look like the raiding the birds.
Right.
It's so stubborn.